This is Onitsha, Ogwuikpele Kilogidi Road in Anambra State, Ogbaro local government, where we always hear that our governor is the best governor. They never see this kind of governor. But see their roads, all this motor packed, because they cannot go again. Please let the whole world come and help us and beg Obiano, as they call him Action Governor. Let him come and show action here. Please let the whole world help us. Beg Obiano to come and do this road for us. This road will not put Anambra State in poverty. Rather, this is a food basket area in Anambra State where they produce food. But see, even if they want to go and carry the food, no road, nothing. But every signboard in Onitsha bears that our governor is working. Please help us. See this one. See all these men. They have turned to a construction company. Ogo, now well done, no. What do they do? No, na be CCC.
That's about 24th February.
I've been in Tabu.
2018.
What happened to na moto? Oh yeah, send this message to your governor. Yeah, what do you want governor to do for you? I thought they say your governor is Action Governor. Is he on signboard?
Yes, sir.
Are you on main road? Action Governor. Action Governor, please come and show your action here. Oh. Come and help us. Action Governor. Action Governor. This Opagwe, Ossomala, Ogwuikpele. Oga, you are using leg to Wakabi. Where did they go? Why you no enter motor now? Huh? Should we say a governor, an Action Governor? Only action on signboard. It's better. So your brother ta from Ogene? Imagine. Oga, they greet you. Now you they construct this road. You be construction company. Please let Anambra State come and help us and build this road, because this place is not camp, it's a town where they are producing food in Anambra State. This is where they are feeding Anambra State. Please help us. Obiano, if you do this road, we will believe that you are Action Governor indeed, in Jesus' name.